guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. As you can tell by the title, today's going to be a tutorial on this look right here. It's a very colorful, kind of out there smoky tutorial. We're doing a lot of pink and purple in this look. So if you want to know how to get this look right here, using affordable eye makeup and everything like that, just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with my L'Oreal Matte Lock Primer. And I'm just going to smooth this all over my skin. Just going to keep my makeup nice and matte, and it'll apply smoother. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 112. And I'm going to apply this all over my face with my EcoTools sponge. This foundation gives great coverage, so that's why I'm using it today. And then I'm going to go in with my Catrice Camouflage Concealer in the shade 005 and apply this to the high points of my face and also under my eyes. I'm going to take the concealer up onto my eyelids to prime, and then I'm going to be using my Rimmel Insta Ready Contour Stick and just applying a little bit of this and blending it out with my sponge. Next, I'm going to set my makeup with my Coty Airspun Extra Coverage Translucent Powder. I'm going to mainly focus this under my eyes and then spread it out to the rest of my skin. And then I am going to bake under my eyes, so I'm just going to apply a lot of powder, and this will also help with fallout, since the fallout can just sit right on the powder and then I can fluff it away. I'm going to grab my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to start with just a light transition shade. Then I'm going to dip into this hot pink shade on a fluffy crease brush and just start building this into my crease and really blending this color out since it's my base color. Then I'm going to dip into this purple shade and start concentrating this on the outer corner of my crease and then smoking it out into the actual crease. I'm going to dip into that darker purple shade and continue this. So I'm just repeating these steps with those two colors and then blending out, of course. And I'm going to really concentrate in the crease, and then I'm going to take some concealer, just the Catrice concealer, and carve out my crease with a small flat brush. And then I'm going to take this Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow in the shade Moon Dust, and I'm going to use this to create that cut crease. And then I'm going to use a small detailer brush and use this to kind of really make sure it's really precise. And then I'm going to use those purple and pink shades to blend everything else, and then add a bit of the silver as well, just to make sure there's no harsh lines. And continuing to deepen out that crease and blend it into the silver shade. Then I'm just going to wipe away all of the excess powder on my face. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the pink shade and then going into the purple as well. So I'm just taking those pink and purple shades and just repeating the same steps on the bottom, concentrating the darker shades towards the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to take this Maybelline Superstay Liquid Lipstick in the shade 30, and I'm going to be creating a wing liner with this with my Wet n Wild liner brush. And then I'm also going to take the shade Philosopher and kind of repeat the same steps. I'm going to be mixing these two shades. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, apply this to my top and bottom lashes. And then I'm going to line my waterline with my Maybelline Super Skinny Gel Liner. I'm going to add some Ardell Demi Wispies. I love how these make my eye looks, and then it's not covering up all the eyeshadow I worked on because they're pretty natural. And then for bronzer, I'm going to be using this Pur Cosmetics Bronzer. Just make sure to really warm up my skin. And then I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to carve out my nose. For blush, I'm going to be using this Milani blush in the shade Delizioso Pink. And then I'm going to be grabbing my Anastasia Aurora Highlighting Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the shade Eclipse to highlight. I love the pink peachy undertones in this highlighter, so I think it goes perfect with this eye look. And I'm just going to be applying that to my cheekbones and my nose and my cupid's bow, and like usual, just highlighting my face. And then I'm going to grab my sleek Solstice palette, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners with that. And then I'm going to use that matte cream shade to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to take that same Maybelline liquid lipstick I used for my eyeliner in the shade 30 and apply this to my lips. And then I'm just going to set my face with the Catrice setting spray. So that is it for this look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. I know it was a little different than what I usually put here on my channel, but I still hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.